Good morning, great day, students. I hope you all are feeling good today and feeling energetic, relaxed. Your tummies are full with all the food which your mom must have given you, right? Yes. Now, which day is today actually, class? Yes, today is the second day of week 19. We are now on week 19. Almost the session is going to end, right? So, and this is your literacy class, right? Now, before telling you the name of the topic which we are going to start today, because we are going to start a new unit today, right? Now, but before telling you the name of that unit, I want to show you a picture. Now, you are going to see that picture very carefully, and I'm going to ask you a few questions about that picture. So, are you all ready for that? Great. Let's move on. All right, there you go. What is this picture about? What is written here? Children's picture dictionary. Now, what is the meaning of dictionary, class? Can you all tell me what is the meaning of dictionary? Dictionary means that dictionary actually is a book or something that gives you the meaning of different words. Now, since that picture which I have shown you says picture dictionary, so it means that this big dictionary has picture with words and their meanings, right? The dictionary has pictures, the words along with their pictures and their meanings. So that is why it is called picture dictionary. So what do you have in the dictionary? You have meanings of different words. Yes, you have meaning of different words in the dictionary. Now the question is the words written like that? Now what happens if you want to find out the meaning of few words? How are you going to look at those meanings? So there must be some way to find out the meanings of those words. And what is that way? Yes, that way is that the words are written in alphabetical order. What is alphabetical order? You have done this before in your first term. You must be knowing that. What is alphabetical order? Yes, alphabetical order means that the words are written alphabetically. What are your alphabets, children? You know there are 26 alphabets in English language. What are those? A, B, C, D till Z. So alphabetical order means that the words are written alphabetically, that A word are written first, then B word, then C word, then D words, right? But it also happens that sometimes that there are lots of A words. So how will you find out? So first you have to see the first letter, that is A, and then if the two words are starting with a similar letter, then you will see the second letter. Suppose if the word is apple and the second word is also A, right? So first you will see apple and then A and B. Or if the word has the same letter A, like you can say aeroplane, and like you can say apple. So first you will see apple, A and A both words. Then you will see, since both are similar, so you will see the second letter. Second letter is of aeroplane is A E, and of apple is P, right? So which comes first, A E or P? Of course, E comes first, so you will look at the second letter, that is E, right? Do you understand? Okay, let's see this picture again. This is picture dictionary, as I have already explained you. Now, what comes up in this picture dictionary? Let's see. See the words starting from A, acorn, airplane, alligator. First see A and C, then A and E, then A and L. Alligator, then alligator, again another word with L, alphabet, right? Then in the same way, if we have B here, first is BA, baby, then badge, okay? Then BA, badge, bag, right? Over here, we have the word with B, B and K. Baker, BA, baker, ball, ballot, then balloon, banana. They all are starting with B and A. In the same way, here is a C word. Cage, cake, camp, right? So they all starts with alphabetical order, right? You understood? And they gives you the meanings of different words. So this is what is the meaning of dictionary. So what we are going to do today, what is our new topic? Our new topic is a woodland dictionary, right? That means we are going to learn about dictionary which is of woodland. And what is woodland? Woodland means a land of trees. So we are going to find out meanings of different words which are there on any land of trees. Like we are going to find out the meaning of different types of trees, different types of forests, like that. This is the name of our topic, right? So I want you to do an activity. I have few words written on my board over here. I want you to check them out and tell me how to arrange them alphabetically, right? The words are play, apple, class, and egg. So first rule of to arrange them in alphabetical order, you have to find out the first letter, P, A, C, and E. So which word will come first? Yes, apple. A double P L E. Now, is there any word with B? No. Is there any word with C? Yes, class. C L A double S. Is there any word with D? No. Is there any word with A B C D E? Yes, egg. Then comes egg. And then the last word is play. So this is how you will arrange the word in alphabetical order. You will see the first letter first, and then if the first letter is same, then you will see the second letter. I hope you must have understood till here, right? Now coming to our unit, I want you all to open page number 78 on your book, that is a Woodland Dictionary, this page. We are going to read few words and their meanings, and then we will do the exercise. Ready? Okay, the first word is bark. Now, what's the meaning of bark? The skin of a tree covering the branches and trunk. Then we have coniferous trees, evergreen trees that have cones. Then deciduous trees, trees that lose their leaves each year. Now A, C, B, C and D is done. Then we have E, evergreen trees. Trees and shrubs that don't lose their leaves and are always green. Then we have forest, a large group of trees. Then we have leaves, the flat, thin, often green parts of a tree. Neem trees, a tree that grows in places such as in India, Sri Lanka and Pakistan. Then we have oak trees, the most common tree found in Europe. Then we have roots, the part of a plant which grows in the ground. Then we have shrub, a plant smaller than a tree with branches near the ground. Then we have trunk, the main part of a tree from which the branches grow. Then woodland, land with lots of trees. So these were the words with different meanings. You can see that all these words, they are written in alphabetical order. Right. Now, coming to the question and answers. Now, let's do this quickly as a whole class, then you can write it down. What is a forest? You will there find the meaning of a forest, a large group of trees. Correct. And how is bark described? How is bark described? You will write down the meaning of bark, that the bark is described as the skin of a tree covering the branches and trunk. Number 3, what comes before roots in a Woodland Dictionary? What comes before roots? So before roots come oak trees, the most common tree found in Europe. Okay. Then imagine that you have added each of the following words to a Woodland Dictionary. Now write the word that would come before each new word. Now, before each new word, which word comes? Now, nest, N. Nest, palm tree, ivory, and squirrel. What comes before N? I. Yes, so ivory tree comes before N. And palm tree, what comes before palm tree? Yes. S. Come on. Now, I want you to do these two questions, part number A and B in your notebook, and then we are going to discuss the next part orally. Okay, so I want you to do not don't do part B, just do part B. A, sorry, and your time is for 8 minutes, and your time starts now. Okay. All right, children, time is up. Raise your hands. Wow, great. Now you all must have written the same answers that we have discussed just now. Since the part B was very simple and very small, so that's why I have not asked you to do that. And you can do part C now orally, right? Now the answers to these questions can be found in definitions on page 78 and 79. The first one, which type of tree loses its leaves each year? Which type of loses the leaves each year? Yes, the deciduous trees loses their leaves each year. Okay, now which type of tree has cones? Yes, the coniferous forest. Coniferous trees, they have cones. Which type of trees is always green? Evergreen. The evergreen trees, right? Now, which plant is smaller than a tree? Which plant is smaller than a tree? Yes, a shrub. A shrub is smaller than a tree. Now, which part of a plant grows in the ground? It's very easy. Yes, the roots. The roots grows in the ground. Correct. All right. That means that we have done today's part, that is a Woodland Dictionary, and we have learned what do we have in a dictionary and what are the different things we found in the dictionary, how a dictionary is written, how the words are written in the dictionary, that they are always written in alphabetical order, right? So I hope you must have understood this whole lesson, and you are going to do the homework yourself. I'll be posting that on portal. Now see you class in your science lesson. Bye.